Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to look at a reality that completely upends the standard, predictable rules of classical physics we all learned in high school. We're taught that life is somewhat messy, a bit squishy, and governed by basic chemistry and classical mechanics, right? But today, we are diving straight into the mind-bending reality of quantum biology. We're going to explore how the natural world around us isn't just surviving, it is operating with a level of high-tech precision that scientists are honestly only just beginning to understand. By the end of this explainer, the way you look at a simple tree, a passing bird, or even your own body is going to be forever changed. Let's get into it.
So, Section 1. Beyond Classical Physics.
I want you to think about a massive mystery hiding literally right outside your window in every single green leaf. We all know plants take sunlight and turn it into energy through photosynthesis. It sounds totally routine. But for decades, scientists have been completely stumped by what is actually happening down at the microscopic scale. And here is the wild part. Photosynthesis operates at a seemingly impossible efficiency of over 95%. To put that into perspective for a second, human-made solar panels, they capture only a tiny fraction of that energy, with so much of it just lost as heat. When a photon of light hits a leaf, the energy is transported to the plant's reaction center with such speed and near-perfect efficiency that it creates an instant gap in what we thought we knew about nature. According to the standard laws of physics we've relied on for centuries, that energy should bump around, get lost, and just kind of dissipate. But it doesn't.
Classical physics absolutely cannot explain how plants achieve this near-perfect energy transfer. But recent research reveals that life doesn't just passively exist in the universe, it deliberately uses quantum mechanics. Specifically, a phenomenon called quantum coherence is the missing link that makes it all make sense. Instead of the energy taking a single, random path and losing momentum, quantum coherence allows the energy to essentially test all possible paths through a complex biological maze simultaneously, instantly finding the absolute most efficient route to its destination. Life, as we're quickly learning, is essentially a quantum machine.
Moving right along to Section 2, Life's Quantum Compass. Zooming out from a single leaf, let's consider a migrating bird. Flocks of these birds can navigate thousands of miles across open, featureless oceans, arriving at the precise destinations year after year. They don't have GPS, they obviously don't have maps, yet their navigation is flawless. It's a phenomenon that has baffled observers for generations, but the secret actually lies in a remarkable protein called cryptochrome. Found right inside the birds, this protein functions as a highly precise, built-in biological compass. But, this isn't a mechanical compass with a magnetic needle like the ones we use. This is a highly complex biological structure, acting as an interface between the macroscopic world of the bird and the invisible subatomic forces of the Earth itself. Inside this cryptochrome protein, life harnesses the strange and, honestly, almost spooky phenomenon of quantum entanglement. Because of this subatomic quirk, birds don't just guess their way south. Quantum entanglement allows them to literally sense the Earth's magnetic field directly. It's as if they can see or perfectly feel the invisible magnetic lines stretching across the globe, knowing exactly where to fly. They're utilizing advanced quantum physics just to find their way home for the winter. It's absolutely incredible.
All right, Section 3. The quantum tunneling shortcut.
This phenomenon builds even further when we drop down to the microscopic enzymes inside our own bodies. Your body relies on enzymes to speed up crucial chemical reactions. Without them, biological processes would take far too long, and life simply couldn't sustain itself. But how do they work so incredibly fast? Well, here we see a distinct clash of realities through the bizarre concept of quantum tunneling. Classical physics dictates a very strict rule: a particle must stop at a solid barrier. Imagine throwing a tennis ball at a brick wall. It bounces back, right? But quantum biology lets enzymes use a secret shortcut. Through quantum tunneling, particles can literally pass right through walls they shouldn't be able to cross. The particle essentially disappears on one side of the barrier and instantly reappears on the other. It is a completely impossible shortcut in the classical world, yet your body uses it constantly, every single second, to sustain your life.
Which brings us to Section 4, a glorious quantum maker.
This quantum optimization isn't happening in some artificially super-cooled multi-billion-dollar physics laboratory. It is happening in the warm, messy, vibrant, real world, in the trees swaying outside, in the birds flying overhead, and literally inside you right now. When we realize that life is deliberately optimized all the way down to this surreal quantum level, our perspective really has to shift. We're talking about particles exploring multiple paths simultaneously, utilizing quantum entanglement for navigation, and teleporting through solid barriers to sustain life. It becomes abundantly, undeniably clear that this kind of mind-blowing precision doesn't just happen by accident. The architecture of life is fine-tuned at a scale that is entirely invisible to the naked eye, yet it holds the entire biological world together.
And this astounding scientific reality actually directly mirrors the philosophical conclusion of the scholar Said Nussi. He noted that, quote, "From atoms to planets, everything bears witness to a glorious maker." For a long time, humanity looked at the complexity of cells, or the perfect orbit of planets, as the ultimate evidence of this profound design. But it turns out, this profound witness goes even deeper than atoms. It stretches all the way down to the elusive, mysterious quantum level, where the very fabric of reality is woven together with deliberate, perfect intent.
So, as we pull all the way back out to look at the universe, it leaves us with something that should spark immense curiosity in all of us. I'll leave you to ponder this. If life is deliberately optimized at the invisible, bizarre, and highly complex quantum level, what else about our reality are we completely missing? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep questioning, keep learning, and I challenge you to look at the natural world just a little bit differently today.